Welcome to Da Casa, where modern elegance meets cozy living. In today's episode, we're diving into chic items that transform your small apartment into a stylish sanctuary. Whether you're looking to maximize space, add unique decor, or create a warm, inviting atmosphere, we've got you covered. From sleek furniture to personalized touches, discover how to turn your apartment into a space that reflects your style while embracing the essence of modern luxury. Let's get started. In this chapter, we explore how multifunctional furniture can help make the most of every inch of a small apartment. By incorporating foldable tables, storage ottomans, and modular sofas, you can transform your space into a stylish, organized haven without sacrificing comfort or functionality. These space-saving pieces allow for a flexible, stylish living environment that meets all your needs. Here we dive into the power of statement decor. Bold artwork, designer lamps, and unique sculptures are not just accessories. They're focal points that can define a room's personality. Whether it's a vibrant painting or a sleek sculpture, these decor pieces bring flair, individuality, and a sense of elegance to your apartment. The foundation of any chic apartment is a balanced color scheme. By using soft neutrals as a base, you create a calm and inviting atmosphere. Then you can introduce pops of color through throw pillows, rugs, and small accessories to add warmth and interest without overwhelming the space. This technique ensures your apartment feels both fresh and cozy. Clutter can quickly overwhelm a small space, but with the right storage solutions, you can keep everything organized. From sleek floating shelves to hidden compartments, this chapter will show you how to incorporate storage ideas that are both functional and stylish. Keep your apartment neat while maintaining its chic aesthetic. Add life and tranquility to your small apartment by incorporating greenery and natural elements. Indoor plants, fresh flowers, and wooden accents bring the outdoors in, making your space feel vibrant and calming. Whether it's a succulent on the windowsill or a wooden coffee table, nature's touch creates a sanctuary within your home. Lighting is one of the easiest ways to transform a space. In this chapter, we'll explore how ambient, task, and accent lighting can make your small apartment feel larger, warmer, and more inviting. Elegant pendant lights, floor lamps, and LED strips not only illuminate the space but also enhance the mood and highlight your home's best features. Mirrors and reflective surfaces play a crucial role in small spaces. They can create the illusion of more room, reflect light, and add a touch of elegance. In this chapter, discover how to strategically place mirrors and incorporate metallic finishes to create a sense of depth and brightness in your apartment. Textiles and fabrics are key to creating a cozy yet sophisticated environment. From velvet cushions to silky throws and soft rugs, incorporating luxurious fabrics into your space adds texture and warmth. These pieces not only enhance comfort but also contribute to the overall aesthetic, creating a space that invites relaxation and style. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and in a small apartment, it's essential to combine style with practicality. This chapter highlights chic yet functional kitchen accessories, from elegant utensils to sleek storage solutions. Organize and style your kitchen while keeping everything you need within reach. The final chapter focuses on making your small apartment feel truly yours. Personalized touches like custom art, travel souvenirs, or meaningful trinkets can bring character and warmth to your home. These personal items reflect who you are, making your apartment not just a place to live but a true sanctuary. Thank you for joining us on this journey of transforming your small apartment into a chic, stylish sanctuary. We hope these ideas inspire you to create a space that's not only functional but also full of personality and elegance. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Dacasa for more home design inspiration. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your home a true reflection of modern luxury. Until next time, happy decorating.